Hello! Welcome back to Cooking with Grandma. Today we'll be making BBH, which is also known as bún bò Huế. And also my grandma doesn't want to be on camera because she's shy. So it's just me.
Nó sôi lúc nào mình mới đem ra mình rửa.
You want some BBH? Oh.
Có thịt vô.
So the meat has been cooked, cleaned, washed, and into this giant pot.
Hai đứa gãi rồi hả? Hớt cái này ra. Bỏ để mình gắp một bó thôi. Bỏ một bó chừng nào mà gần xong á, bắt đầu mình mới bỏ thêm bó nữa. Lấy dao gì?
Thớt rồi.
Thì nó bỏ lâu rồi.
Để coi. Nè, ăn nhanh. Thả biết không? Chưa còn gì?
Để mình gắp á.
Ra mình gáp đó hả?
Lemongrass.
Mình ra cái này pineapple gì đó phải không?
Pineapple.
Pineapple hả? Pineapple. Mắm ruốc Huế.
So the shrimp paste is running low, so like most Asians, they're refilling it with water, so you get a full bottle again.
Anh nó mở nó đặt lại bây giờ không mở được mà mở. Đường là bỏ vô rồi, súp vô bỏ vô rồi. Xem cái chỗ này, cái chỗ này.
That's a big knife. Wow.
Bỏ đi vô bún bò Huế. Giờ nó đỏ thấy không? Xương bò nè. Xương bò. Bún bò Huế băm tỏi đi.
Garlic.
Rồi phi với mỡ. Rồi. Vậy là xong. Ha.
Yes. Learn how to make it, please.
Thổi nha. Thấy không?
Nhâm, nhâm.
Để đi. Rồi ha. Nhâm rồi ha.
Cái này
Start Nisi.
này ta. 4 miếng, 5 miếng đi.
That's a beef
Cái
shank.
này nó sắc cái này sao? Cái này ruột. Nhiều luộc. Luộc cho nó sôi lên là được rồi. Rất ra ha. Chợ này còn xào thịt, còn sắc thịt nữa.
Thì có này thì họ có ăn không hề? Dở chảo
Thịt bắp bò. Luộc con sắc rồi mới ướp. Bắp bò. Bún, con này bún nè. Bún bò Quế.
giờ họ tới 2 giờ mấy mới ra rồi. Đó. Đợi 2 mấy mà nói thôi đợi anh ta về chở đi ra luôn. Đó, giờ 3 giờ đi cứu mấy đứa cha. Chứ đâu vô liền đâu.
Muối.
Đó. Hỏi chị khuyên hả? Chị chỉ nén dầu thôi không? Rồi thành ra còn đây bác sĩ nữa em không biết chừng nào mới xong. Còn đợi tới 4 giờ luôn á.
Thế nào cũng thử nó mềm á. Rửa nó cho sạch, nó không có thiêu. Hết nóng nè, lấy nó ra.
Wash until the noodles are cool.
Khoan để cho này nó vàng.
God damn. This one's Dalena's bowl. And here's our BBH. There's mine. Dalena's is this monster bowl.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Grandma's Cooking BBH.
BBH. Oh, this looks incredible. You guys saw how it was made. It's a lot more intricate than making pho.
This is my favorite Vietnamese dish ever. I love BBH. And I think the reason why I love it is because it's sweet, sour, spicy, and similar to tom yum.
Oh, by the way, your grandma's not eating with us today. She already went to a party and had a feast. So we're just eating alone today. But the BBH here, one of the best, if not the best BBH I've ever had. I've never been a fan of BBH. Bún bò Huế?
Yes.
What does that translate to?
Bún is noodles.
Yes.
Bò is beef and Hue is the city in Vietnam. So it's
Where it
actually
originated
originated from Hue.
And here's that slow cooked beef that you saw get cooked in that pot before. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm starving. So I'm gonna just start.
Alright.
Enjoy.
So for my BBH, I usually like to add pepper. This is extra chili satay sauce. I like mine really spicy. So I'm gonna add this much in. I cannot wait to eat this. Look at my big bowl.
Why is your bowl bigger than mine though?
I always eat more than you when it comes to Vietnamese food.
Here we have some jam.
I'm so happy right now. And I think it tastes even better when like we watch the whole process.
I was drooling.
This is, I'm taking it easy today. This is not the most I've eaten before.
Whoa.
I ate a lot of it already.
Yum. Look at that, and you get all those spices from the soup in there too.
You can eat it with a lot of vegetables. So my parents usually eat it with all the vegetables like the greens and bean sprouts and everything, but we know. We're not gonna do it.
We replace the vegetables with meat. It's the only right way to do it.
It was nice to see the process of her cooking it.
Yeah, because usually when we come over, we just get the noodles, heat up the soup and just eat. But I didn't understand how much time. I mean, we've been here all day since the morning preparing all this and prepping. It's just
And it makes
incredible.
me really appreciate the food even more, just because it's a lot of work just to make, you know, one dish. I'm curious, what is your favorite Vietnamese dish
Mine.
from my grandma?
It is probably the rice paper rolls because she makes this marinated fish that is incredible. The fish itself I could eat every day for a year. I mean, I can't wait to show you guys. Yeah, let's do that. But I want to do wontons next. I feel like everything is noodles at Dalena's house. That's why she loves noodles so much.
I
Because
love noodles. I'm a noodles person.
when's that girl done coming around? I want to film that.
Well, if you guys like this series, we'll definitely film more. You know, I'd love to show my grandma's cooking to you all and also keep it as a memory to myself. Plus, I get to eat delicious food every single time we film, so...
This soup broth is worth finishing till the end. Cannot waste a single drop. But it's over.
Because I'm so used to like stuffing myself.
So good. That's a decent amount.
Really?
I mean, you did have a pizza before you came to this.
I love food more than you do though.
Well,
You don't
that's
love food
why
as much as I do.
I want to battle you. Chonney versus Dalena. Who can eat more?
Who wants to see that?
The most
Comment down
amount of
below.
calories. I'm actually
Guys.
not too sure who would win that one, but I feel like definitely me. But
Are you kidding me? I will fight you on this. Say hello. Say hello. Talk.
do you guys remember eating this? The jam. It's like a staple in an Asian household. Something I would eat when I would come home. There's nothing else. It's just this loaf of meat covered in like banana leaves, and you slice it up, put it in a sandwich, or put it in your ramen. You guys like it a lot. You guys eat it all. It's
Yeah.
like
This makes my dreams come true.
Ow. Wait, is this your favorite dish that your grandma
Yep,
makes?
this
It
is my favorite dish.
This is BBH. There you go. Yum. All done, guys. You see that? That's how good it was. And that was BBH at Grandma's house.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya. Hello.